Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Chafon 3-in-1 wireless foldable charger. This is a really new design, I think really great innovation, so you can charge 3 items at the same time: your phone, your earbuds and even your watch. You can use it flat on your desk, you can use it as a stand, or you can fold it, put it in your pocket and even use it on the go. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything and how to use it. And so here's what we get in the box. We get this strong 18 watts wall charger, but we don't have to use that. We can use any kind of wall plug or power bank. But of course, for full functionality and powerful charging, at least Quick Charge 3.0 is recommended. And so here's the charger itself, so we can use it flat for 3 devices, or like this for 2 devices as a stand, or we can fold it to charge on the go. And the charging plate for the watch comes even with this stand here. And we get also this USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And the charging plates are magnetic, as you can see. We can easily put like this MagSafe phone here, and same thing for the earbuds and same thing also for the watch. But we can use this charger also to charge any kind of other wireless chargeable devices, like this Samsung phone, these earbuds here and this watch, and none of them is Apple, and we can still charge all of them at the same time. And we get here even another confirmation that this charger is very powerful, because it's charging now my very thick rugged phone, where I have even added an extra case. And this thing is usually super difficult to wirelessly charge. And the charger comes also with this great indicator light, which shows us if it's idle charging or fully charged. But if we want to use that during the night, we can also turn off the light. And so this is how we can use it as a stand. If you have a MagSafe compatible phone, you can charge it like that, or on the side like that. And you can fold out the watch charger and charge the watch at the same time. Or again, we fold it together, connect it with a power bank and charge it even in our pocket on the go. So I would say it's definitely not a bad thing. It's really nice, especially for Apple, but also works for all other wireless devices. I mean, this is not the only brand which is selling such devices. There are quite a lot, but I have now tested this and I can give you full recommendation. Again, what's really important that you are using really strong charging if this is not working, especially if you're using like a case and then it's not wirelessly charging. Make sure that you are using a good cable, strong USB power supply. Best is Quick Charge 3.0. Then we can expect a really nice charge. And so I would say pretty cool device. I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.